screen. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing the Asceny 1 gaming keyboard. It's a 60% keyboard. Let's get into it, guys. Alrighty guys, so as you guys can see, we have the Asceny keyboard. So this is the box. It's just a plain white box with the logo Asceny on it. So I actually picked this up from Amazon for about 80 Canadian dollars. So yeah, let's get right into it. So quickly, we're just going to unbox it. Alright, so as we first open it, we have the extra keycaps. Now this is what I was really looking forward to. It just add some design to the keyboard. So what I really like as we open it, it's covered in plastic. So the whole thing, it's nice, it's tiny, which is really nice. It's covered in plastic so you know that it hasn't been opened. So yeah, let's see if there's anything else in the box. There should be a wire, I believe. Alright, so as you guys can see right here, a little bit of a message. Anyway, so as you guys can see, I will read it out for you guys in a bit. So also, it tells you a little bit about the keyboards, how to turn on the RGB lights at the bottom. And then at the top talks about getting used to the 60% layout, and also you're going to have to be using the FN button a lot. But that is what you have to do in order to get used to a 60% keyboard like this. So next, I can also see that they added a nice little Asceny logo right here, like a little sticker. Similar to like the Logitech one, but this is like really tiny, but it's nice. I like it. I like that they added that on the box. Pretty cool. So let's take this out. And lastly, oh, there's also the wire here. So I think that was a keycap puller. So quickly, let's just show you guys. It is a USB Type-C to USB Type-A. I was kind of hoping it was Type-C to Type-C, but you will see that they are gold plated, which is really nice. I like that about it. And they're also braided cables with the little zip tie. So that's quite nice. It feels good. Quality seems nice. Let's put that aside. And I also need to find out where the oh, it's in here. So I think that's about it for the box. They have in here, I think, is a keycap puller. So they give you these two little tools. So I think one is to pull out the switches, because this is a hot swappable keyboard, and you also have this to take out the keycaps. So without further ado, guys, we are going to be taking off the plastic. I was hoping for that to be a little more satisfying, but the way I had it. Okay, so we have our keyboard out here, so let's take a look real quick. This is with the RGB off, of course. So unlike other keyboards, like I said, there was a Habit 60% one. I like that it had a battery so that you can use it like using Bluetooth. This one does not have it, but what I really like is I do like that you get these Gateron switches and that it's hot swappable. So that is probably the best thing I like about it, because even if I had a battery, I probably wouldn't have used it as much. For me, I use it always on my desk, so this is going to help me a lot. So in terms of the build, I'm going to have to do a review video later on. So right now, this is just the unboxing, but these are the brown switches. So I'm just going to, before I do it, let's do a typing test, and then I'll show you guys what the brown switch is. A Gateron. So as you guys can see, that's how it sounds like. As you guys can hear, my bad, as you guys can hear. So now let's pull off, so in the meantime, let's pull off some of these keycaps. Is this one for the switch? No, this one's for the keycap, I believe. Yeah, this one's for the keycap. Okay, just needed to double check on that. So we got our Alt, Windows key, Control key. But I really like that it comes like they give you the extra, you know, the ones in black as well. So if you don't want to use these colored ones, you have the option to not use them. So when purchasing the keyboard on Amazon, you can see that there's 3 different options. You can get them in Gateron Blues, Gateron Reds, or Gateron Browns. Oh, okay. Hopefully I did not break that, but let's take a look at the switch. So this is a brown switch, Gateron Brown. Trying to get it to focus. So yeah, so I'm gonna just pop it right back in. Oopsie. So Gateron's got to be the other way. All right. So yeah, it just fits in like that. So yeah, whenever you're taking these out, I just learned. Whenever you're taking them out, just use the top and bottom, and you clamp onto it and pull it out. Since I'm recording and I'm sitting at an angle, so it's a bit harder for me to do. But yeah, you'll get the hang of it. So I'm just gonna plug it in. So I think I might be getting I have to go and buy a USB Type-C, unfortunately, to Type-C. But let me do that again real quick, so you guys can see how it turns on. So there we go. So the RGB is on. So that is how it looks like with the RGB. So I am going to have to do a review where I like test out all the features, and I believe there's a software for this online. So I am going to have to go and review it. Alrighty guys, so as you guys can see, here is the keyboard from Asceny 1. So this is what it looks like when we swap out the original keycaps and we put on the colored ones. So it looks quite nice with the RGB. So there are different RGB modes that I just figured out. So I will go over them in the next video, but there's some really cool ones on here, especially with the software. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out and test it out and make sure that I can explain it in the best of my capabilities to you guys. So yeah, you guys see. So the keyboard itself is built quite nice. I really like how it's firm, so it doesn't feel like if you rage. It's not if you're like me and you rage in Valorant, you know, you won't have to worry about probably breaking it. I think it's pretty sturdy enough to you know, last, especially for a year. Let's see, we'll see. I'll do an update in a year and we'll find out if it's gonna last a year. But I really like the design overall. I don't like that there is no foot stand at the back. But other than that, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you check out the review, okay? And don't forget to like and subscribe. So in the review, after I think about a week or so, once I get used to using this keyboard and I learn how to use it inside out, then I will be able to properly do an in-depth, detailed review about this keyboard. So make sure you check it out, and I'll put a link in the comment section once to that video, or even in the description once that video is out. So for now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace out.